Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Assembly on the 7th of December. We are heading for Christmas. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude. We want to all be trying our best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We want to be going for improvement and progress. We want to use our education and our learning to help us to make great choices as we go through our lives, and we want to never be giving up. So we always talk about true strength, about the strength that we need to live our best life. So how can we keep on getting stronger so we can really live our best lives? And we know there's physical strength, which is important. We want to be healthy. We want to be strong physically, but we know that the real strength is the strength in your character, the strength that can help you overcome any challenge, the strength that helps you solve any problem that you face, because it's the strength in being the best that you can be. And that's why we always talk about character strength, which helps you to solve your problems. And we always say we should ask the question, which character strength are we going to use when we're faced with a problem? So we've learned about the virtues, and the virtues are literally good things. And we have learned so far about the virtues of wisdom, which is deep, deep thinking to make great choices, courage, to have the strength to go forward and do our best and take great actions and make great strides forward in our lives. Transcendence is to live in a way that takes us to the next level, to a higher level. And temperance is always finding the balance. We don't go too high, we don't go too low, we don't go too far, too near. We just find the balance in our lives. And those are the virtues we've learned so far. And I'm adding a virtue today, and that is the virtue of humanity. That is the amazing good quality of really behaving like a human being, living with humanity. And that virtue of humanity is made up of three character strengths. They are kindness, which is really being kind and looking out towards other people and seeing what we can give them to help them and make their lives better. There's love, which is a relationship where you give and you receive. So it's like different types of love, but real friendship where you give and you receive in the relationship. And then there's social intelligence, which is what we always say in our CC way. It's consideration. It's always thinking about others and how we can behave and live with others in a really good way so that we all have a good life. So consideration. So remember those three. Remember those three strengths: the strength of kindness, the strength of love, the strength of social intelligence, also known as consideration, which make up humanity, the virtue of humanity. And I've got a picture over here of socks, because this Thursday, on December the 10th, we are going to celebrate Odd Sock Day. Now, what that means is we're asking everybody to come in wearing two different socks. So not the same pair of socks, but two different socks. The brighter, the more easily they can be seen as not matching, the better. Because it's Human Rights Day on December the 10th, on Thursday. And what we know at Grange is that when we respect, and not just respect, but when we actually celebrate difference, when we really truly see difference as something beautiful and powerful that can make us all better, when we champion diversity, then the world is a better place. One of the worst things that I think I can hear, one of the things that really makes me so upset, is when I hear people saying to each other, or people saying to other people, you're weird, or you're so weird. So when I hear that, that's somebody not celebrating difference. That's somebody being scared and thinking that we've all got to be the same. We've all got to fit in. Nobody must be different. Nobody must be weird. And actually what we're saying on Odd Sock Day is there's no such thing as weird. There's only different. And actually, we celebrate the difference. Because if we can all be different, if we can all each be ourselves, we can all contribute and make the world a better place. Kind of a massive human teamwork, a kind of a really humanity teamwork. So that's Odd Sock Day, and I'm really looking forward to everybody celebrating it on December the 10th. So here are some powerful humanity actions. Number one, really listen. When somebody talks to you, when they take the time to share their problem or to share their life with you, really listen. Look at them, see them. Don't look down at your phone. Don't be trying to type and do things at the same time. Really, really listen. That is a humanity action. Respect other people and their opinions. So if somebody believes in a different religion to you, if somebody not only believes in a different religion, maybe somebody speaks a different language to you, if somebody looks different to you, respect them and respect their opinions, even if you disagree with them. And number three is celebrate the difference. When you meet somebody who is different to you, celebrate that. Actually, instead of saying how strange or how weird, say how wonderful. Celebrate the difference. How wonderful it is. Diversity is actually an incredible strength, something to absolutely celebrate. So you can see the little guy scratching his head. Here he is facing his problems. What problems does humanity solve? I don't think I really need to answer that, because if people behaved with humanity, if people listened to each other, respected each other even when they disagreed about opinions, if people celebrated difference, if people lived with kindness, love, and social intelligence, well, how many wars would not be fought? How much peace would there be in the world? How much incredible discovery of the different talents of everybody with all their different abilities. So this is really, this humanity that we're talking about is real power. And that's what we're celebrating on December the 10th. That's our Grange philosophy for life, the CC way, confident and considerate. It's philosophy for life. It's a philosophy of humanity. The stars of the week, gold. Ilya, brilliant work. Ansar, fantastic to see you there. Imran, brilliant. Ibra, tremendous. Ayat, tremendous. Anushanth. Arzu, wonderful. Zara Q, brilliant. Sabrine, fantastic. And we're thinking of you. Well done. Anna, tremendous. Nur, Bashir, Ayub, Vinaya, just wonderful to see you all getting your gold. Anastasia, brilliant. Race, fantastic. Dara, tremendous. And again, we're thinking of you. Well done, everybody. Brilliant to see all the golds. Mariama, tremendous. Wonderful. Well done, all the gold stars of Grange. So the Grange House of Water, 3,169 points. Sultan, Oliver, Kavish, Abdullah A, Farrell, Furkan, Agash, Sakina, Pirahatis, Aliyah Q, Amira, Subera, Nora, Aryan, Grace, and Mehdi. And Aryan, wonderful. You've just been at Grange a short amount of time and you're already up there with the champions. Bavita, Stacy, Diana, Parisa, Blinot, Zara Q, Zara, Cosmina, Wissam, Anna O, Ayana, Shiley, tremendous. And Maruna, Martina, again, Martina just joined, and look at your incredible performance. Mariama, Ayat, Devesh, Ikram, Ilya with 88 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Fire, 2,698 points. Aliyah Y, brilliant. Ryan, Jalsa, Cole, Samia, Fatima, Harun, Patrick, Vishwesh, Farhad, Soraya, Isaac, Shana, Elias, Danya, Simon, Rochelle, and Serena, brilliant work. Princess, Ansar, Eric, Angela, Hewad, and Medina. Elfie, tremendous with 47. Yemindia, brilliant, 51. Amos, an amazing 54. Hader, an incredible 71. And Murthiga with an awesome 83. And Vinaya, wonderful to see you up there, 88 points. Brilliant. Grange House of Air, 2,459 points. Mehdi with 19 points. Abdullah E with 24. Kiana with 21. Ajay 21. Mora 22. Dua. Amrit Yusuf ES. Hadil Nicoletta Diraj Blessing. Sana S. Wonderful. Ibra Sabrine. Krasian Dana K. Sarah AR, Imran, Jaden, Abdullah D, Arzu, Jackie, and Mohammed S. Brilliant. Masood, Bashir, Faris, Nur, Reza, wonderful. Mario, an incredible 47. Bianca, 50. Dara, amazing, 72 points. Brilliant. Grange House of Earth, 3,107 points. Sumaya, Louisa, Nemo, Alex M, Aisha M, Joel, Asia, Lena, Lion, Zikrea, Samra, Harun, Zohaib, Aitan, Stefania, Danusha, Ali R, and Adam. Brilliant performances. Sana H, Shaista, Jody, Max, Michelle, Wasim, Habiz, Jamal, Lala, Sarwar, Ibrahim, Dikshan, and Divyan, Ayub, and Alicia with 74 points, which is absolutely brilliant. Anushanth on 77, Anastasia 93 points, Race 130 points, and Tebarek 151. Amazing, everybody. Just do your best. Evelina 158 points. Incredible. So the whole Grange community, 11,433 points last week, which is absolutely brilliant. Which means my classy classes, Tubman class, you have been consistently brilliant. Look at that, nearly at 1,000. Churchill class crashing through 1,000 now. That's a few weeks in a row over 1,000 points. But the classy class of the week, not letting being remote and far away from Grange stop them from learning. You are brilliant, Luther King Learning Community, 1,198 points. So our autumn one total was 47,561 points in the first half term. So we set ourselves a goal of 50,000 points this half term, which is a Christmas autumn 2 half term. And ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We are on 55,703 points. We exceeded our target. We made it. Life is what you make it. And you, brilliant children of Grange, you did it. And we earned our reindeer. And I am so excited and looking forward to Friday to see real live reindeer here at Grange. So we made it. I'm proud of you all. Be great to be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Live your humanity. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.